In this video, we are going to know about swine flu, its symptoms and its treatment. So let's get started.
Hey everyone, this is Aagam Singh Sisodiya.
So firstly, we just have to know that what is the swine flu from the basic. Swine flu actually is an infectious disease which affects the respiratory tract of humans, or it create lots of symptoms in the human body, that body suffers from lots of problems. Okay, this swine flu is caused by virus, the influenza A type virus. There are three categories of influenza viruses: influenza A, influenza B and influenza C. Three types of categories of influenza virus are there, but this swine flu is caused by influenza A type virus in a category, we can say it. And the most common virus which spread this swine flu, from which this swine flu caused, is H1N1 virus. H1N1 virus is the most common virus which causes swine flu in humans. Okay, why this name swine flu is here? Because swine means pig and flu means the influenza. So this is the influenza or flu caused by pigs. Actually, this disease firstly occurs in pigs. The pigs are infected with this swine flu and spread this disease from one pig to another pig. Okay, but due to some genetical changes in this virus start infecting humans also. This is the case such like in AIDS, that AIDS firstly occurs in chimpanzee or gorilla, but now it is occurring in human because of the genetical changes that are occurring in that virus, that it is now infecting the human only. Okay, the same case is here in the swine flu, as it is affecting the pigs, but now it is affecting the humans because of genetical changes. Okay, now the common symptoms that occurs in swine flu are a high temperature of the body, a very high temperature of the body. It's about 104 Fahrenheit, means that high fever we suffer from. Secondly, our body got lots of pain from joints to upper head. Our headache is also there in that. Our totally body joints and our hands, our legs, totally body is fatigued. Okay. Third thing, that our throat becomes sore. Fourthly, our mucus is accumulated in our nose are blocked, or we can face the running nose also. Our body becomes so tired, so ill, that it cannot even sit up. Okay, means that our body becomes very painful, that it cannot handle this pain, so it becomes exhausted, that we just have to leave all these things, just be exhausted from all these things. The pain is so much. Even in some cases, diarrhea and vomiting also occurs in the swine flu. The symptoms, as you are listening, you are thinking that these are the common symptoms, but in swine flu these symptoms occurs at a higher level. Okay, there are a small level also and there is a higher level also. So this is the higher level disease which cause a large symptoms, very painful symptoms. Okay, now if the symptoms are so serious, then we just have to know about the treatment also. So what are the treatment of swine flu? The treatment of swine flu is done by antiviral drugs. Firstly, the doctor will diagnose you that you are suffering with swine flu or not by seeing your symptoms. If the symptoms, as I told you, like these are occurring with you, then doctor will prescribe some test for the checking or confirmatory test for swine flu, and after that they will recommend you the antiviral drugs. Why not the antibiotics? Because antibiotics are the drugs which are used against the bacteria, to kill the bacteria, not the viruses. They are specific to bacteria only. That's why antibiotics are not used here. Antiviral drugs are used. Also some precautions are also there that you just have to follow. The doctor will prescribe you that you just have to wear this type of mask. This type of mask whenever you are going outside or any public places, you just have to wear this type of mask, so that your face should to be covered properly, so that these type of infection cannot be spread. Because swine flu is a flu. As you know, flu is an infectious disease. Infectious means that it can spread in a large amount. Whenever this person is coughing or sneezing, these type of viruses will go through your saliva to the air, and someone which is not infected with swine flu, if inhale this air, then become infected, and become a patient of swine flu. So that's why these type of mask will help you a lot to prevent yourself from swine flu. Secondly, you just have to be away from that person that is infected with swine flu, and also be away from the pigs, because the swine flu is affected from the pigs. That's why you just have to be away from pigs also. Make a good hygiene in your environment, in your locality. Wash your hands properly with any sanitizer or any type of detergent or any type of hand wash properly, so that whenever you inhale something by touching anything, because I had told you in the influenza that influenza is caused by even touching the objects, because these are type of saliva or mucus. When touch that object and when your hand is touching that object, then these viruses will come in your hand, and whenever you are inhaling it, you are getting infected. That's why you just have to wash your hands after it. Okay, so these are the small precautions you just have to do. So that's all about swine flu. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have any query, then you can ask in the comment box down below. And if you have any friend that wants that knowledge, then share this video with them. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos such like that. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.